Like many other aftermarket automotive solutions, the first product American Autowire founders Michael Manning and Frank Colonna developed while working part-time out of their basements was to make completion of their personal projects a little easier. The purpose of Michael and Frank's new part was to add factory console gauges to their early Camaros. They intended to use the part for their own cars, but realized there was a market for the product and began selling at local car shows and swap meets. With the success of their console conversion wiring, both the company that was to eventually become American Autowire and their parts catalog expanded rapidly. The components we manufacture at American Autowire are used by professional restorers working on high-profile projects, home hobbyists breathing a new life into a family heirloom, or complete novices building their dream car on a budget. We have 3 product lines available to help each of these customers reach their goal. Factory fit wiring is reproduced from original General Motors blueprints and tooling. Each harness is hand-built and will be a recreation of the part installed in the vehicle at new. While these are considered original replacement parts, we use modern GXL wire in the original GM color coding to bring them up to a more current standard. Our Classic Update product line consists of complete vehicle-specific wiring systems for more of a hot rod approach. This catalog is not limited to GM vehicles and includes harnesses for automobiles built from the 40s through the early 1990s. Classic Updates allow for the inclusion of modern accessories, standalone EFI systems, and all the supporting electrical modifications expected as part of a modified restoration. Extra-long engine compartment and rear body wiring allow room for customization not found in an original harness. But vehicle-specific connectors, terminals, and lamp sockets keep installers from having to reuse original components. In addition to these 2 vehicle-specific lines, we manufacture universal wiring harnesses that can be adapted to fit virtually any project. The Highway Series kits are our most popular universal systems. Their modular design allows the fuse panel to be relocated and the wires routed as needed to suit modifications in vehicle body or interior. The Power Plus and Builder panels are more traditional pre-wired systems designed to be installed under the driver's side of the dashboard. Power Plus systems provide an excellent balance of adaptability and economy, and the Builder is ideal for cramped quarters or limited dash space. The Route 9 is our most basic system, with only the feeds required for starting and charging, lighting, and ignition. This makes it the perfect choice for drag cars, rat rods, or projects requiring very few electrical components. The Severe Duty and Severe Duty relay panels include watertight fuse enclosures, allowing them to service serious off-road builds or panel mounting locations that might be subject to dust and moisture. As with all of our Restomod and Universal harnesses, they use GXL wire throughout and include detailed installation instructions. American Autowire manufactures all 3 of these product lines at our facility in Belmar, New Jersey. We provide complimentary sales and technical support for our products to both dealers and end-user customers, and our continued goal is to produce the highest quality OEM replacement and upgraded electrical systems for original restoration, enhanced performance, and custom automobiles for many more years to come. Our dedicated team and their passion for cars ensures customers will receive the right product to meet their needs, whether a builder, dealer, or enthusiast. Our extensive line of American-made products, expert team, and superb customer support make wiring that easy.